Hey guys,
Hello, hello.
Hi, Mikael.
how's it
How you
going?
doing? Good, good, good. And you?
Good. Sorry, I'm outside today. There's a lot of things going on inside. A
Yeah.
bit of peace and quiet in the jungle.
Yeah, I love it. Love the background. So much nature.
Yeah,
Actually, I wanted to tell you this because you said you wanted to like do $10 on Facebook, $10 on YouTube ads.
yeah.
If I were you, I'd be putting 100% of the budget on YouTube ads or like 85%, and then just do retargeting on Facebook ads
Okay.
because you're going to be maximizing your results on YouTube ads, and it's going to take way less time on YouTube ads to like crack the code compared to like if we split our focus on trying to crack Facebook and YouTube at the same time.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does.
Cool.
Okay.
So
Cause so
yeah,
you think YouTube is really like the way to go? Like you guys
yeah, I would
are.
go. Yeah, especially with your video, man. Like I honestly think that you're a natural, so I think it'll be easier on YouTube, less competition as well. And
Yeah,
then
that's true. Because I'll be honest with you, because I'm involved in this, the ads I'm seeing is as if I'm a someone looking to sell or buy. And on Facebook, every second post is a sponsored ad of a real estate broker. So I do
right,
agree. Whereas on YouTube, I have yet to get one ad of a broker in my area.
yeah, it's same. I never have seen like an agent in Montreal or in the area do YouTube ads. Never.
Okay. All right.
So
So to be honest, so then I probably will do that. I'll follow what you're saying. I'll put probably $20 a day in YouTube, and I'll maybe hold off on the Facebook.
yeah,
I mean, you're saying retargeting. What can you repeat exactly what that is? Like,
yeah, yeah, sure. So I actually talk about. Have you watched the Facebook models yet or not yet?
yeah,
Okay, so in there, I talk about you can either do cold or just do retargeting. So in your case, you just do retargeting for now, which is like $1 or $2 per day that you'd be putting into these ads. So that way,
okay,
it's just for you to be like omnipresent. You're going to be able to show up on Instagram, on Facebook for the people that visited your landing page. Even if they come in from YouTube, they still land on your landing page. Let's say this is like YouTube, and then like they go on your landing page, and then let's say they drop off, they don't give you their details, then you're going to retarget them afterwards on Facebook, on IG, so that way you're going to be there as well.
okay, okay. So that's kind of like that's kind of like what you did with me.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, we do this all the time. Have you seen like our retargeting ads like on Facebook and Instagram?
Yeah, because the first time we spoke in November, we had a conversation. Obviously, I was interested, like I told you when I called you back in May,
Yeah,
But from that moment on, I only saw Regain Media all over all my all my
yeah,
social medias, everything. So it's
yeah,
funny. Okay,
exactly.
okay,
So
so I
so you
understand.
see it works, right? It's just a matter
So
of like
people are gonna
being
see me, and then I'm just gonna get in their head, and they're gonna be like, "Oh, there's that guy again, Mike. Okay, maybe this guy is actually the real deal."
exactly. So it takes a few times, and maybe they're not ready right now, right? Maybe
Yeah,
they click on your YouTube ad, they don't give you their details, but then after that, in like a few weeks or a few months, they come back to you and you get the listing.
yeah. Okay, cool.
So the pictures that you've taken, like exactly where you are right now in your backyard, you're
Yeah,
gonna be able to use them on the Facebook retargeting ads.
yeah. And I want to really use that ad as saying like I'm someone who comes from this environment, so I know what people want. You know what I mean? So
Yeah,
I know that people are looking for this, this tranquility. So I want to try and use that, and I feel like the backyard setup is a good way to show people like, okay, I'm not some guy in a penthouse downtown pretending like I know. Like, no, I know. I live here. I'm with the neighbors. So
yeah,
okay, cool.
yeah, makes sense. Hey, by the
All
way,
right.
did you install the Facebook pixel on the landing pages?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Did you install the Google Pixel on it?
Google Pixel. Sorry, no,
Yeah.
maybe I did, and I just
Okay,
don't
yeah,
even
you
know.
did. Yeah, it's there. Okay, cool.
Okay, sorry, it's just the name I didn't know then. Sorry.
Yeah, no worries. Okay, so that's cool. Now to run I would also do that with the Facebook pixel. And do you mind if I open another tab for the business manager?
Absolutely, man.
Okay.
Go ahead. And what does this pixel do exactly that you're setting up here?
Yeah, so that's going to be able to track people, meaning if we don't have this code on your landing page, then we're not going to be able to retarget them afterwards.
Okay.
So let's go install it. So
And
that
this
you
is
don't
even
need.
gonna work if I use the Meta landing page, like their own. It's gonna
Yeah,
work as
it
well.
is.
Okay.
Yeah. Install
Because I think
code.
I'll just use theirs until I like customize a landing page that I really like.
Yeah. Yeah, you'd use exactly. That's what I would do. Okay, cool. So let me just install something real quick. It's called the Facebook Pixel Helper. This will help you set things up to see if you have it installed correctly. Yeah, all good. Cool. So it's working. So now you're going to be good for this. And then, yeah, for the retargeting ads, essentially, I'll just let you know right now because some of the modules on Facebook are not recorded yet, even though they are built, but we need to publish them. But I'll show you if you want. I can start a draft if you want for you.
Sure.
Okay, this needs to be created. Can you just type in your name?
Yeah, sure. Just my name.
Yeah, then with a 1 next to it at the end. Cool.
Oh yeah, I saw this. I seen this in the module. I just didn't do it yet.
Yeah. So that way we'll do it together. And then let's just change that to EST or Toronto. Yeah. Okay. Have you added a payment method yet or not yet?
Yeah, there should be one because I use on Instagram, like I told you guys when I first met you.
Yeah. Okay.
If not, my payment method is
Okay. Yeah, I think the one that you use for your Instagram is probably like your personal account, your personal ad account. So you'll have to like add another one before you actually publish the ads on what.
okay, that's no problem.
They just won't let you. So let me just create that draft for you. With
Just
the right
add it to the
campaign.
card. Just keep adding. Let's go. Jesus Christ.
At least it's just $1 or $2, right? Like this, you'll just
No, I
like
know. I'm
leave
just
it on the
joking
back
around.
burner. You know what
I
mean?
know, but
So-
absolutely, and that's why I know that once I start rolling, I'll be quite successful, and I believe in myself because I have that mindset. So I'm not scared to invest $1,000, $2,000 of ads a month if I know that it's gonna net profit me 15, 20. You know.
Yeah.
So a lot of people, like when I'm talking to them, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna invest in ads, you know, and right away they're like, oh my God, you're spending a lot. Yeah, but if I'm spending, but I'm making back 95%, 105%, whatever,
Yeah.
it's practically nothing.
Exactly. And that's actually smart what you're doing, right? You're like basically like getting like money for like the other like job ins and then investing that back into like real
Yeah,
estate.
believe me, I don't want to go spend 3 days downtown serving wine, but maybe he's gonna give me $1,000 here. That's gonna,
Solid. Yeah. Cool. So just so you know, we're gonna choose like lead conversion. So that's the objective. And then let's just do continue. Yeah. So here we're gonna choose housing because we're advertising in real estate. So we have
Yeah.
no other choice. And then country Canada. That's good. Just gonna name that. Let's call that basically just regain and then whatever. Let's say retargeting.
Add one or campaign one. Yeah. So no.
Yeah. Retargeting campaign. Cool. And then retargeting audiences. All right. And then your page. Oh, your page is not connected.
Because I didn't. Yes, I didn't recreate a page.
Oh, do you have a page right now or no?
I don't know. I only have my personal account.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're gonna have to create one.
Okay.
We have a video on this, but you should be able to figure it out. Pretty
Yeah,
sure.
yeah. Well, I already, like I had previously explained, but you guys for sure you're not gonna remember, but I had a page that was created without me knowing, and it was literally sending leads to that page instead of my main profile, and that page had absolute no information, no pictures, no nothing.
Oh yeah, I recall you telling me this.
Yeah, so I had uninstalled it. I had deactivated it, and I didn't reactivate it yet because I was waiting to get all this going.
Gotcha. Okay, so custom audiences. We need to create some custom audiences too. So I'm going to create for you the custom audiences, which we will be using to target basically everyone who visited the landing pages, the website, or your Instagram or your future Facebook page.
Yeah. Okay.
Is your Instagram connected to
Should
that
be.
business manager? Okay. Okay. So let's see if they recognize the pixel. Yeah, cool. So we're going to say 180 days. All website visitors.
So whoever visits my Instagram as well is gonna be retargeted.
Yeah, we're gonna create an audience for this.
Fantastic.
So as you see, we're gonna say custom audience. So you're gonna have to create one for your own
Page,
yeah, the Facebook page once you create it. That's the only one that will be missing.
no problem.
So we're gonna say Instagram account. Oh, hold on, we need to link it. Okay. Gauge. Cool. All right, cool. So you have these two audiences, and then I'll add them into the campaign. And then the only one you're gonna have to add is the last one with a Facebook page.
Okay. So you created the IG one, and you created basically the audience that was basically all the landing pages.
Yeah, and if you have a website, like in the future, it's gonna capture that as well.
Okay.
And it'll say like it's too small, whatever. It doesn't matter. Like as long as like we're getting impressions and we're getting people to view the ad, that's fine.
Okay.
All right. So I basically put the minimum, which is like $1 USD, which is like 128 Canadian per
Fine.
day. It's still in draft, so it's not going to be published until you do. And then you can, input everything that you need in there. I'll just change that to learn more. But yeah, we can go through it once you're ready in more
Okay,
detail.
fantastic. So probably next, like I said, I have the Grand Prix until Sunday. So
Yeah.
I mean, by the time our next call, I won't be at the one on Friday, but by the time we have our next call on Tuesday, I should have everything running. If not, well, it's gonna run at that call next week, guaranteed.
Okay, for the Google ads, right?
For Google, for everything.
For
The
everything.
YouTube,
Okay,
the
cool.
Google, the Facebook retargeting, everything.
Yeah, sounds
Calling
good.
all-
Awesome, man. So if there's anything in between, let us know. But otherwise,
Yeah.
we'll just speak back next week from what I've gotten, right?
Fantastic.
Cool.
Thank you guys. Have a good
Enjoy
night.
your night. You
Same
too.
to
Take
you,
care.
Mikael.
Ciao, ciao, JP.
Bye.